My spouse said, no way, over their dead body, are they going to pay me alimony? Can I still mediate my case? Of course you can. Perhaps the mediator reads the room and says, we're not going to start with the alimony. Let's work on all the other issues and back into the alimony number. You can't simply decide, I'm going to read the alimony statute, I understand what the law says, but I want to do something that's so contrary to what the law says. Can you do an alimony buyout? Meaning one spouse decides to pay the alimony up front in some discounted fashion, trading an asset or making a lump sum payment. That's something you could do in mediation. But a flat out refusal to pay alimony is just not a reasonable position. And so if we were in the setting of a courtroom and you have a spouse that should be paying alimony, that has the financial ability to pay the alimony and simply says no, in those cases, a judge would likely shift counsel fees. This is something we say to parties in mediation. If you were in court and you flat out refuse to pay alimony, and this is a case where you should be paying alimony, a court would likely order that you pay your spouse's counsel fees, and that could be tens of thousands of dollars. Are we really going down this road, or is there a more practical solution? And oftentimes it's unpacking and digging deep into the why. Sometimes it's just the word alimony. Sometimes it's the thought of writing that check every single month. Sometimes it's something completely different. But these are all creative things. These are all conversations that we have very candidly at the mediation table.